Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to be... I should go backwards. We're...
Parrot.
Parrot, I'm not carrot.
I said parrot.
Parrot. So you can start, you have crackers, it's exactly like Chubby Bunny Sean, but you have to say squawk, and I made it up.
You put one in your mouth and you say squawk, and then it's just
you continue that process.
Which I think this is going to be easier because they're little.
Yeah, they're like way thin.
They're wee.
And that's, I was thinking of thin ones. I was like, they're thin, that's why they call them thin ones. Yeah.
So we're just going to go take turns.
I'll go first. Oh, this is hard. Squawk.
Yeah. Squawk.
Squawk. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk. It's gonna hurt.
I think it's easier because right now I couldn't really talk.
Squawk. A moon.
Squawk.
Squawk. Oh.
Squawk.
Squawk. Oh.
Squawk.
Squawk. Uh-huh.
Squawk.
Squawk. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Squawk.
Wow. Squawk. Oh.
Squawk.
Squawk.
Squawk. Hi.
Oh. Squawk.
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 Squawk. Ah, that's easy. That was mine. See, oh.
Squawk.
You don't even have it in.
Squawk.
Squawk. I'm good at this.
Squawk.
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 It doesn't count. It's not in your house.
Squawk.
Squawk.
Oh.
Squawk.
I got 12.
Squawk.
Don't take it out of your mouth, it's gross. Because you're going to choke.
Squawk.
Okay, let's go out. Squawk. Squawk.
How many I have? 1, 2, I have 16.
I have 14. You had 12.
Oh, I won that. That was easy.
Why is your mouse not special?
This is so much easier than the Chili Bunny challenge.
Oh.
I recommend this. Smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe. Yeah. Comment. Bye.